Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in for your RBC mobile banking application. So for this, if you want to be a part of the RBC Mobile, because it's a really wonderful platform to be on as it helps you get connected with your finances on the go. It helps you to make different forms of monetary transactions, helps you to manage your account, helps you monitor your bank account, also is very free, fast and also secure. This is what you need to do in order to log into RBC Mobile. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the RBC Mobile on your device from the App Store, or you can go to the official website of RBC Mobile and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, wait for the app to load for a certain while. And as the app loads, you will now be directed towards an interface where you'll have to enter certain credentials in order to log into your account. So here it's going to ask you if you'd like to sign in. It's going to ask you for what kind of service is it that you're trying to sign into. Here currently it's set to personal and business banking. We can also tap on direct investing or Dominion securities, and then also enter your client card or your username and then your password. Tap on remember card so that it's easier for you to log in back again next time, and then tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, you will now get logged into your RBC mobile account. So this is basically how it works. It's a very simple process and it only takes about a few seconds of your time in order to complete the entire process with a very strong Wi-Fi connection. So I hope that this video has guided you through the process, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.